Today I'm going to be reviewing some hair from Allove hair, and I will also be doing the watercolor method on some dark bundles. So this is a color that I achieved. I am absolutely loving it right now. I'm not even going to flex because I'm feeling it. I'm liking it. It's definitely something that I can see myself wearing a lot more. I also wanted to say thank you to Allove hair for sending over these beautiful bundles. They complimented your girl with 4 bundles of 26 inches and a 20-inch frontal. Alright you guys, so today we have some hair from Allove hair. They got 1 frontal and 4 bundles of 26 inch. It's beautiful body wave. Keep in mind, because this hair is longer, the bundles are going to be a little bit smaller. So right now I just have the hair cooking. I've bleached it. That's 10 fluid ounces together. I'm going to use both of these in today's water dye tutorial. So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead, rinse all of this out, and tone it with my Ion Cool Blonde toning shampoo. It's nice and light. This is perfect for what we're going to do today. It got pretty blonde, so that's the important part. Just put this part in a braid just to keep it out the way, because this part is going to be a little bit lighter than the rest of the hair. And then the other thing that I want to do is just kind of whisk this together, and then I'm going to just like stir the colors in. So now we're just going to take it off. So I'm just going to do my best to keep this out of the, so I'm just wrapping it around my hand. And then I'm going to grab the wig, starting from the very bottom of the hair, and grab another little section, dip it. Just want to continue doing this until you get to the top of the wig. Use this little thing and then just push it down. Just take this out. So this is our wig while it's wet. It looks definitely more so on the red side, but for sure once it's blow dried, it's going to get lighter. Hair typically is a little bit darker when it's wet. And then use T-pins. Then we're just going to blow dry this out. So if you choose to do the same, just make sure your hair is moisturized. You would know that you are.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't messing with no broke. Beauty divine, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She seen her.
I'm gonna be using hot pink, fruit punch, and pink blush. I'm gonna mix all these together. There are a bunch of different pink dyes, and then I'm gonna put it in on the wig. Okay you guys, so this is the color that I ended up getting. So I officially have my wig at here, so like from right here. And I already flat ironed my hair like off camera for the most part. So I do have parts of my hair that do need to be flat ironed again, like these back pieces, because it's wet right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I'm just gonna blow dry this out. It looked more so just like a burgundy kind of color. And I do have some oil in my hair. It just adds moisture to the hair. It adds a nice shine to your hair as well. Hair is very silky. It's like super bone straight. And I did dye this hair like 3 times technically. It's so beautiful already. If you just got like an old wig that you want to revamp, I think this is a great way to revamp your wigs and revamp your hair. This specific hair can take bleach and dye and all that stuff, and as you guys can see, my hair is perfectly fine. The ends are still looking nice and healthy. It's not like all fried or anything like that, as you guys can see. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look using the hot water method, and this hair once again is from Allove hair. I definitely like this hair. It was already really beautiful, you guys, and I really was like, oh my god, I low-key don't even want to bleach this hair because it was already like so nice. Like I love the body wave. I love like how dark it was, like, and the wig was like really full too. I think it came out pretty good. Definitely check out Allove hair. I will leave a link to this hair down below along with their website.